in phone calling. Yes, that's all.
I didn't check my Skype app. I check it now.
Okay. Okay, so just can you just little bit introduce yourself so I know yourself better way.
Yeah. This is Suhas. I'm from Maharashtra, and
Okay,
just preparing for an IT course.
of course. In
Yeah,
Maharashtra, where are you live? In Maharashtra, which side?
yeah, it's South Maharashtra.
South Maharashtra. Like any way, any can play. You can say any place. I know. I am also live in Maharashtra, like in Mumbai. So in Maharashtra, where which place?
Yeah, Sangli district.
Sangeet.
Sangli, Kolhapur.
Okay, you are from Kolhapur. Okay, okay.
You know it?
Yeah, I know Kolhapur. I heard this name a lot of time, and I see this place also. So I know that Kolhapur. In your,
Uh,
I can say in your place, like a sleeper chapel is very famous. Kolhapur. I was
yeah,
always hearing this. If you want to buy, you can buy. Go and Kolhapur. So yeah.
yeah.
So
Kanpur
yes,
like that chapel.
yes, I know. So Suhas, what are you doing nowadays? You're doing job or study?
Yeah, I quit the job and I joined a course for getting some more effective or more attractive package. I'm preparing for an IT course.
Okay, IT course. Okay, what type of like IT
Yeah,
in your?
I am doing web development course.
Okay, so now you're like a, I can say study kind of thing you're doing nowadays.
Yes,
O-
and also preparing the my conversation. I'm also
o-
trying to work on my improve my English.
Okay, that's very good. I can say everyone should have to be like improve their English communications. It's a, I can say very required this time.
Yeah,
So
it's
how you connect me? I want to know.
I was I was searching for the English conversation topics on YouTube, Google, and then just one day I got a recommendation by YouTube, and when its conversation is there, I didn't record it, but there is a description. There is a email in description. There was an email in description that so I got it.
Okay, so did you like my video? Then you connect me. I can say.
Yes, yes. Now, what you do?
Sorry.
What you do? What's your
Uh,
profession?
I'm as an account assistant. I'm doing a job in a pharmaceutical company now the time, and along with I'm doing study also. I'm doing MBA. My final year is MBA exam is going on. Yes,
Okay.
yes. That is why I was learning. I'm learning this language, English language.
Intermediate level. Are you intermediate level or advanced level?
What do you think about my English? You want? You can say.
I think you can speak at advanced level. You have the knowledge of you can speak at advanced level language.
Oh my God, I'm advanced level, but I still I'm thinking about myself. I'm the intermediate level.
Yeah, I'm learning, so I can consider myself as beginner.
No, don't consider because see, if you like to say about the beginner, so the people who is know just read that things, but can't speak. Okay, but you can speak this language, so you can't say you're the beginner. You are also the intermediate level. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, I'm collecting some vocabulary. Yeah, and trying to make sentence construction, idioms, phrases. Yeah, I'm now trying. I'm working on it nowadays.
That's very good. That's very good. You have to be do all these things. So what are the things you are doing for all the like learning English?
Yeah, I do watch first when I wake up in the morning, and I watch 10 to 15 minutes English news. Then, if possible, I read out in a digital e-paper. Then I sort out the words which I don't know the meaning of that words, and find that I find out the meaning of that words, and I'm focusing on listening.
Yes,
I
yes.
just started to find people to communicate each other. When I got a Skype call from a friend from when I then I realized that I can speak, but I have to try it well and more and
Okay.
more. Yeah, it can interacting with people, talking with people is also it gives it gives us a confidence, and it gives us a real time experience. Then how can you improve? How can you enhance your knowledge, or how can you talk with the people? Yeah, you learn the manners, you learn the words, you learn the vocabulary, yeah, you learn the construction, sentence construction, much more, and etc. etc.
Yes, yes. I can say in this only the way you can speak the language of English, because if you are like a conversation with people, so whatever the word in your mind, also in your speaking part, it's come very quickly, I can say. If you're not speaking, so your thought is not coming like whenever you go to speak. So you just think you can I can say continue this thing doing every day, so that it will be possible, I can say you can speak a very good way. Because if
Yes,
one day you are speaking and last 2 days or 3 days you are not speaking, so I can say you are not speaking in a very good manner, I can say. You can speak, but like as you take a more pauses, okay, like take a time, then you think, then you speak. If I say if you speak every day at least half an hour, I can say half an hour you can speak with someone, so it will be not take a more time to learn this language, I can say.
yes, I agree with you. Doing things in practical, it gives us some more knowledge, or more real time experience.
Yes, yes, it's
Yeah,
true, I can.
yeah. Do you have a daily conversation on Skype,
Yeah, I
or
have every day. I can say I have everyday people like in my YouTube. I get more people every day to conversations. So, but due to my like time issue problem, I will not connecting everybody. But you see, in the Sunday in the afternoon time till the 2 p.m., right now I'm connecting with people. Like I can say 4 to 5, 4 hour is going. So I have just conversation with people. So
yeah,
in Sunday time I am putting my 5 to 6 hour for this language to learning, I can say.
yeah, you became celebrity now. You
You can
don't.
I'm not think like I'm celebrity and all that. I just want this thing to like a person, I can say. And fortunately I got a good amount of person to speak. I want a 1 or 2 person, but fortunately I get a more amount of person. So
Yeah.
it's a good thing for me. Yeah.
Is there any group or a Skype group where I can interact with the people to communicate in English for improving my English skill? Do you have any
See,
idea about?
I have a Skype group people because I was connecting every day a lot of people. I have a Skype group people. I can add in this group. You can also communicate with that people. Okay. So if you
Yes.
like, I can add you in your our group. So if, whenever
Yeah,
you
yeah,
are free that people are free, you can communicate and improve your communication skill, I can say.
yeah.
Only in this
I
way you can improve that.
Yeah, I will be very grateful if you add me in that group.
Yeah, definitely. Because I don't like if I'm getting something, so I will be also provide this thing to other. So the people are like not facing whatever the problem I'm facing before this thing. So if I will be able for this, I can be provide for this thing to you. I can say
Yeah, yeah, if possible, add me in that group.
yes, yes. I will be available. I will be add you.
Uh,
Okay, no problem.
yeah, I one question that is there any group to interact with the native English speakers?
Presently, I don't have like that group in of native speaker. All are the
Okay, yeah,
Indian people. Yes, all are the Indian people right now.
yeah, yeah. Okay, okay, okay. Then eh, so do you have what time do you have every day to talk with people?
See, I can say only the 9 to 10 p.m. in every day. I can say Monday to Saturday is 9 to 10 p.m. time. And in Sunday, afternoon to evening time, I am be free for this kind of thing.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, okay. So can we connect every day? Is it possible?
I can say it's not possible because every day I have a new people. So I want to connect with that people also.
Yeah,
So
okay.
it will be
It will.
not possible for me, I can say. But I can give you more people to you can connect with that people and improve your English.
Yeah, yeah. It's better to if you add me in that group, then I can find some people so like me. They are also for searching people who can interact with them and trying to improve their English.
Yes,
So
yes.
I can find that
I will be at.
friend in okay, okay. So
Yes, yes.
okay. Yeah, it's just I have some work. So can we do?
Yes.
Yeah. So do you have free time now?
Actually, I have a free time, but my mobile battery it will be down after 2 or 3 minutes. I can say the 5% only the balance like a charging. That is why I'm telling you.
Okay,
Okay.
I have some work. Then add me that group, so I will find someone. Okay, and very very
Okay.
thank you
Okay.
for
Okay.
meeting me.
Okay. Thank you, dear. Nice to meet you. Bye bye.
Bye.